Hello. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to receive updates when we upload new videos. Keep watching until the end of the video to see the interior shots, exterior shots, and the full preview. New Mercedes-AMG GLE 63 V8 Super SUV gains hybrid tech. Mercedes-AMG reveals its mild hybrid GLE 63 and GLE 63S 4MATIC at the LA Motor Show. Mercedes-AMG has pulled the covers off its three performance SUV debuts at the LA Motor Show, with the range-topping GLS 63 joined by two 63 versions of the smaller GLE. Like its bigger brother, the GLE 63 makes use of the familiar AMG 4.0-litre twin-turbo V8, this time mated to a mild hybrid EQ boost starter-alternator system bringing an extra 22 bhp and 184 pound-feet when called upon. The result is 563 bhp in the standard GLE 63 and 603 bhp in the GLE 63S. That translates to a 0 to 62 mph time of 4 seconds dead for the 63 and 3.8 seconds for the 63S, with a respective top speed of 155 mph or, on the S with the optional AMG driver's package, 174 mph. Only the latter figures are relevant as the UK will not be taking the non-S model, the brand has confirmed. With the benefits of the mild hybrid system including boosting and regeneration, cylinder shut-off and seamless restarting with the engine start-stop, Mercedes-AMG quotes fuel economy figures of between 24.5 and 24.7 mpg, and CO2 emissions as low as 261 grams per kilometre. As before, it makes use of a 9-speed automatic gearbox that is said to have been further developed from previous users to improve reaction times. Standard equipment on both GLE 63s includes AMG Ride Control Plus air suspension and 3-mode adaptive dampers, all configured specifically for this car to combine outstanding agility and excellent vehicle dynamics with maximum traction and super day-to-day comfort, Mercedes claims. Pneumatic self-leveling makes the BMW X5M rival maintain a constant ride height regardless of load, with Comfort mode lowering the car by 10 mm at over 75 mph, while Sport and Sport Plus modes do the same from the get-go. There are also 7 dynamic select drive modes. Further handling-focused features include a 48V active roll stabilization system and an electronic locking differential for the rear axle. To rein everything in, the GLE 63 features 6-piston, 400mm front brakes, with a ceramic braking package also optional. As with the larger GLS, the GLE 63 benefits from model-specific design touches including a new grille, redesigned front apron, side skirts, flared wheel arches, a diffuser-style rear bumper and twin black chrome tailpipes. Inside, there's AMG-specific Napa leather seats, an AMG wheel with aluminium shift paddles, control panels and instrument functions specific to AMG and a whole heap of new AMG badging elements. Expect the GLE 63S to be available to order in the UK from the start of next year, with customer deliveries in the middle of 2020. If you want the quicker of the two Mercedes SUVs, you'll obviously have to go for the lighter GLE 63S and its impressive 0 to 60 mph sprint of only 3.7 seconds, whereas the bigger GLS 63 will need an additional 0.4 of a second. Both of them are going to feature an electronic top speed limiter programmed to kick in at 174 mph. In regards to styling, the SUVs get the Panamericana-esque front grille and quad exhausts at the back, along with a more aggressive body kit denoted by the flared wheel arches. Massive air intakes further emphasize they're the cream of the crop, as do the wheels as large as 21 inches for the GLE and a whopping 23 inches for the GLS. Even though these AMG models are positioned at the top of the range, the options list is still quite extensive. You can add everything from a head-up display to a Burmester sound system, plus other items such as the GLE's 4-zone climate control system or the GLS rear seat entertainment system. Both the GLE 63S and GLS 63 are scheduled to go on sale in the United States mid-2020, with pricing to be announced closer to launch.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.